Yeah, hi. We are from svsembedded. The project title name is R307 fingerprint-based electronic voting machine using Arduino board. So in this project, we are using 0 to 9 volts adapter power source we are using, and it gives to 5 volts power supply to the Arduino board. And R307 fingerprint module, it's connected with the RX, TX 2 and 3 pin numbers, and one alarm connected to the A5, and a reset button, and LED, two LEDs, red LED, green LED, those are connected with the 0 and 1. 16 cross 2 LCD display connected with RS enabled D4, D5, D6, D7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 GPIO pin numbers. 16 cross 2 LCD display, character LCD display. Whatever the process is going on, that should be displayed on the LCD. And there are the votes. So party is result button, 7th pin. Party 3, party 2, party 1, those are connected to 4, 5, 6, 7 GPIO pin numbers. And there are another 5 fingers: enroll, match finger, enroll finger, increment, decrement, and exit. OK by delete button. So there are 5 switch buttons, those are connected with A0, A1, A2, A3, A4. So fingerprint voting machine process: match the finger button to match the fingers. If match found, it will ask for the party 2 or the long press. Enroll button, please wait for the enter finger ID number. You need to press either up button or down button, but please press the up button. 0 is always the owner for our resultant button. That is your wish, you can make anything. Okay, so fifth button, OK button or delete button. Press the enroll button, give the ID number, then OK or delete button. Then image will be stored on the fingerprint. According to the fingers will be loaded onto the fingerprint module. So if you want to delete the finger onto the fingerprint module, you need to press the delete button. Then OK button or delete button, then it will delete. If you want to erase the entire EEPROM memory of party 0, party 1, party 2, press reset button and continuous press result button. So this is the process of the storing of the fingers and deleting of the fingers. So I will explain in the hardware. Okay, so here we are using 0 to 9 volts adapter power source we are using. So here bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator, 1 LED, 5 volts power supply module, Arduino Uno R3 board, 80 mega 328 microcontroller IC. Here is the reset button. So reset means restart the kit. Just it will restart the kit. Fingerprint based electronic voting machine using Arduino. Those are connected with the 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 GPIO pin numbers. Here it is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So here R307 fingerprint module is connected with the 2 and 3 pin number. Alarm is connected to the A5. So here 2 LEDs, those are connected with 0 and 1. So switch match finger, enroll finger, increment, decrement, or OK by delete, those are connected with A0, A1, A2, A3, A4. So A5 is the alarm. So parties: party 1, party 2, party 3, party 4. 4 push buttons, 3 are the parties, 1 is the resultant button. So if you want to clear the internal memory, press reset button and press result button. System is restart. So it will show you that all should be 0, 0, 0. Found module party 0, party 1 0, party 2 0, party 3 0. First here we already stored 2 fingers. We want to delete the fingers. Every time you need to delete the finger, press delete button. Okay, finger successfully deleted. Long press, then increment. So second 0 finger deleted, first finger deleted, press. So this is deleting process. So now if you want to match the finger, press match finger, then gives the finger not identified, because we are not loaded any fingers onto this module. So we are not loaded any fingers. So first we need to enroll the finger. Press enroll button. So 0 is the OK. Then go to press OK button. Then show the finger. Image taken. Remove the fingers. Load the finger. Finger is stored successfully. Again press enroll button. Increment ID. So this is 0 ID and this is first ID. Okay, then press OK button. Give OK. Image remove. Then store again. Stored successfully. So 0th finger, first finger, we will go for the second finger. Press, release, then 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, then OK. Image taken, remove finger, give same finger, stored successfully. Now we are going to matching the finger. Press it, then place the finger, authorized voter, green LED on. So give the parties, party 3 voted. So if you want to again same finger, match finger, same finger, already voted. Okay, now we are going for the second finger, authorized voter, please vote, party 2 voted. Then press it. So now we are going to see the result. Place the finger, authorized voter, then go to press the result finger, 0, 1, 1. So tie up. If you want to delete the finger, press delete button, then OK. 0 is deleted. Then press switch, deleted successfully. Press, deleted successfully. If you want to match the finger, then place the finger, not identified. Try again later. So we need to enroll the finger. Okay, finger not identified. Okay, press this, 0th finger. Okay, image taken, no finger, add finger, okay, remove finger, place finger again. Okay, stored. Okay, then we have to go for the match finger, place finger, voted, go to party 1, voted successfully. If you want to see the votes, press reset button, fingerprint-based electronic voting machine. 1, 1, 1. If you want to delete those fingers, if you want to delete the votes, press and long press result button. System is restarted. Now it will go for the 0, 0, 0. So that is the process. This is the process. Power supply board, alarm, and R307 fingerprint module, match finger, enroll finger, increment, decrement, OK by delete button, red LED, green LED indicators, and party 1, party 2, party 3 result button, and this is the reset button, Arduino Uno R3 board, USB programming, and 16x2 LCD display. And this is our power supply, and this is our block diagram of the project. Thank you.